guys, good morning, happy Monday. Blake with Tahoe.com bringing you this week's lake report from Cave Rock Beach. As you can see, it is a cloudless sky behind me, and it is going to stay like that for most of the week, and some sunshine. Even though it's going to be a bit chilly, we only have 40 degrees as our average daytime high, definitely dropping into the mid-20s for our overnight lows. And Thursday, we have a possibility of snow going all the way into the weekend. By way of events, starting on Thursday, we have a hypnotic show being presented at the Loft Theater by Juan Acosta. That'll be in South Lake Tahoe for you. Also on Thursday is the 9th annual Tahoe Film Festival, and that will be hosted at the UC Davis Tahoe Science Center. On Friday, you will not want to miss the holiday tree lighting that is happening in Kings Beach, and that's at the North Tahoe Event Center. Last but definitely not least, the annual Candy Cane Lane and Candy Cane Village will be happening at the Northern Lights Festival in Incline Village. For all the dates and details on these fabulous events, make sure you check out Tahoe.com. Thanks so much for tuning into this week's Lake Report, guys. My name is Blake, and I'll see you out here at the lake.